Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. You are seeing in front of me Dell 22 series monitor, and now I can show you how to change contrast of this display. So firstly, you need to press off one of these buttons, then click on this settings icon, so click on this button. Now click right arrow, then click on this switch arrow, and now as you can see we have contrast line in blue color, so now we can set up it. So if you want to make contrast, change contrast, you need to navigate by these two buttons. If you want to make more contrast, so just click on right arrow. If less, so just click on left arrow. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.